Children, let us do an interesting sum under the chapter mensuration. Let us do exercise 7.2, example 7.18. Let us read the question. For the cylinders A and B, find out the cylinder whose volume is greater. Verify whether the cylinder with the greater volume has greater total surface area. Find the ratios of the volumes of the cylinders A and B. Two cylinders are given here. The cylinder A is of diameter 7 centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. And cylinder B has diameter 21 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. We should find out which cylinder has greater volume, and also we must find out which cylinder has greater total surface area, and we have to verify whether the cylinder with greater volume has greater total surface area and the ratio of the volume of the cylinders. So we need to apply in the formula to find the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h cubic units. So we need r and h, that is radius and height. Here in the first, for the cylinder A, diameter is 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. And height of the cylinder is 21. So let us substitute in the volume of cylinder formula, that is pi into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 21 centimeter cube. You can multiply the numbers in the numerator. 7 into 7 into 21, that is 1029 pi divided by 4 centimeter cube. Now let's find out the volume of the cylinder B. For the second cylinder, radius is 21 by 2 centimeter. Diameter is given as 21. Therefore, radius is 21 by 2 centimeter. Height is given as 7 centimeter. Volume of the cylinder will be equal to pi into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into 7 centimeter cube. This on multiplication, you'll get 3087 pi by 4 centimeter cube. So volume of the cylinder B is equal to 3087 pi by 4 centimeter cube, and volume of the cylinder A is equal to 1029 pi by 4 centimeter cube. So now you can compare denominator. Both the volume has 4 in the denominator, so let us compare the numerator. So 3087 pi is greater than 1029 pi. That means volume of the cylinder is greater than volume of the cylinder B is greater than volume of the cylinder A. Now second part, we should compare the total surface area of the cylinders. So total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. So again we'll substitute for r and h. You will get total surface area of the cylinder A is equal to 2 into pi into r is 7 by 2 into within bracket h is 21. So 21 plus 7 by 2 centimeter square. We should add the terms that is given in the bracket first by finding the LCM. 2 is LCM. So when you add, this will become 49 by 2. So the other terms are 2 into 7 by 2 into 49 by 2 into pi centimeter square. That is equal to, you can cancel 1, 2. So the remaining numbers should be multiplied, 343 by 2 into pi centimeter square, or 343 pi by 2 centimeter square. Next, we should find out the total surface area of the cylinder B. That is equal to 2 into pi into, here r is 21 by 2, within bracket H plus R. H is 7 plus R is 21 by 2 centimeter square. Add the terms that is in the bracket, that will be 35 by 2. So TSA is equal to 2 into 21 by 2 into 35 by 2 into pi centimeter square. We can cancel 1, 2. The remaining numbers on multiplication, you will get total surface area of the cylinder B equal to 735 pi by 2 centimeter square. Now we have to compare the TSA of the first cylinder A and TSA of the cylinder B. Both have same denominator. So if on comparing the numerators, we can find out TSA of the cylinder B is greater than the TSA of cylinder A. So cylinder B has greater TSA. And already in the first part we have proved cylinder B has greater volume. So now we have verified cylinder B has greater volume and greater TSA. The third part is we should find out the ratio of the volumes of the cylinder A and cylinder B. Already we have found out the volume of the cylinders. So let us substitute that here. Volume of cylinder A divided by volume of cylinder B is equal to 1029 pi by 4 divided by 3087 pi by 4. That is equal to 1029 pi into 4 divided by 3087 pi into 4. That 4 and 4 gets cancelled, pi and pi gets cancelled, and 1029 goes 3 times in 3087. So the ratio is equal to 1 by 3. So the ratio of the volume of cylinder A and the cylinder B is equal to 1:3. So this is using that formula, we have found out the volume of the cylinder. The formula to find out volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. And also we have used the formula to find out total surface area, that is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. And we have verified that the cylinder with the greater volume has greater total surface area also. So children learn the formula now and then it will be very easy to do all the sums. Thank you for watching the video. Please take up the test that is given at the end of the video.